Here's another great RV from Country Creek RV and Marine Supercenter.
Hi, I'm Megan, and today I'm going to be showing you the Cherokee Wolf Pup 16HE.
This RV is representative of the floor plan made by this manufacturer. It was shot at a national RV show. The features, options, colors, fabrics, and specifications may be different from the RV in the dealer's inventory. Please consult the dealer's inventory for actual details on this RV.
Be sure to subscribe to our channel to receive up-to-date videos on all our new and used RVs and boats. Here at Country Creek RV and Marine Supercenter, we've teamed up with Forest River and Grand Design and top-selling boat manufacturers to provide the best brands to make the RV and boating lifestyles a reality for your family. We are sure you will be impressed with our knowledgeable sales and support staff, our walk-in parts department, and the top-selling floor plans right here at our dealership in Hattiesburg, Mississippi.